In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from your Exness account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to confirm the transaction securely, whether you're using the website or the mobile app. First, log into your Exness personal area. This is the secure dashboard where you manage your trading accounts and finances. Make sure you're on the official Exness site or the official app and that you have a stable internet connection. If you use a password manager or biometric login, have that ready so you can sign in smoothly. Once you're in, head to the account section. Look for the withdraw option. It's typically visible alongside deposit and transfer. Tap or click. Withdraw to open the list of available payout options for your region and account currency. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method. Common options include bank transfer, credit or debit card, Skrill, and Neteller. Availability and limits can vary by country and by how you originally funded your account, so pick the method that suits your needs and is supported for your profile. Take a moment to consider processing times and any fees your payment provider might charge. Bank transfers often take longer, while e-wallets are usually quicker. Now enter your details. Start with the amount you want to withdraw and ensure it complies with any minimum or maximum limits shown on screen. For bank transfers, enter the bank name, account number, or IBAN, and the SWIFT or BIC code exactly as your bank lists them. Most importantly, the account holder's name must match the name on your Exness profile to prevent delays or rejections. Double-check spellings and numbers. Small typos can cause big delays. Before you submit, review everything on the confirmation screen. When you're ready, confirm the transaction. For security, Exness may request two-factor authentication. You'll receive a one-time code by SMS or email. Enter it promptly to verify it's really you. If you don't see the code, check your Signal, email spam folder, or resend it after a short wait. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. You'll see a confirmation message once your request is submitted. You can monitor the status in your transaction history within the personal area. Processing times depend on the payment method and your bank or provider, so give it the stated time frame before following up. If anything looks off, review your details and try again, or contact support through the official help channels. That's it. Log in, go to withdraw, pick your method, enter accurate details, confirm with 2FA, and complete the prompts. Withdraw safely, keep your credentials secure, yai cha, and a happy trading.